Welcome to TechScope. Today we're diving into Samsung's most advanced foldable phone yet, the Galaxy Z Fold 6. The future of smartphones is here, and Samsung is leading the charge with this incredible piece of tech. Let's explore what makes the Z Fold 6 the best foldable yet. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is thinner, lighter, and more durable than its predecessor. Samsung has introduced a new titanium frame, giving the phone a premium and rugged feel. The hinge has been redesigned to be more compact, reducing the crease and improving longevity. It also features Gorilla Glass Victus 3, making both the front and back more resistant to scratches and drops. The Fold 6 is available in Phantom Black, Silver, and a new exclusive Burgundy Red. It's more pocketable and feels more balanced in the hand, a huge step forward in foldable design. Display. Unfold the device and you're greeted with a stunning 7.6-inch AMOLED main screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. Colors are vibrant, brightness has been boosted for outdoor visibility, and the crease is less noticeable. The outer 6.3-inch cover screen has a better aspect ratio, making it easier to use one-handed. Whether you're watching movies, editing documents, or gaming, this display is a joy to use. Under the hood, the Z Fold 6 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, paired with 12 GB of RAM. Apps open instantly, multitasking is seamless, and high-end games run smoothly with zero lag. Thermal management is improved, keeping performance stable even during extended sessions. Storage options include 256 GB, 512, and a 1 TB version for power users. This is a productivity monster that handles anything you throw at it. Samsung's One UI 6.1 Fold Edition brings multitasking to the next level. The taskbar allows for quick app switching, while split screen lets you run 3 apps at once. Drag and drop support between apps is smoother and more intuitive. The software adapts perfectly to the large screen, giving you a tablet-like experience in your pocket. Samsung DeX is supported, letting you turn the phone into a desktop workstation when connected to a monitor. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 features a triple rear camera setup, a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Photos are crisp, even in low light, thanks to advanced AI image processing. Video quality is excellent, supporting up to 8K recording. The under-display selfie camera is improved, although still not perfect. It's best for video calls. You can use the rear cameras for selfies using the cover screen as a viewfinder, a neat trick only foldables can do. With a 4,400 mAh battery and AI-enhanced power management, the Fold 6 easily lasts a full day with moderate to heavy use. Fast wired charging, fast wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging are all supported. Samsung claims up to 50% in just 30 minutes with their 45-watt charger. Battery efficiency is improved due to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. Flex mode has been refined, allowing the Fold 6 to bend into a laptop-like setup for YouTube, Zoom calls, or typing notes. App continuity is seamless. Switch from outer screen to inner without losing your place. Samsung has worked closely with app developers to make sure popular apps like YouTube, Outlook, and Google Meet are optimized. Multitasking is simply unmatched on this device. The Fold 6 supports the S Pen Fold Edition, sold separately. It's perfect for note-taking, drawing, and precise editing. There's still no built-in slot for the S Pen, but Samsung offers a case that holds it conveniently. Latency is ultra-low, making writing feel natural and responsive. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 starts at $7,999 for the base model, with 256 gigabytes of storage. Pre-orders begin in July 2025, with global availability shortly after. Samsung offers trade-in deals and bundles with accessories like the S Pen and Galaxy Buds. The Z Fold 6 is Samsung's most refined foldable yet, sleek, powerful, and packed with innovation. It's expensive, but if you're looking for the ultimate multitasking device, it might just be worth it. Let us know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.